First is by air, second by land, and three by sea. The order according to speed and getting there. Yet nearly all inter-island ferry travels leaving for Christmas Eve earlier today were fully booked, save for one which left a couple hours ago and whose passengers bound for Cebu and Cagayan de Oro don't mind spending a chunk of Christmas Day at sea. Our Harley Valbuena has more on the rather safer, saner, stress-free, and more relaxing waiting situation at the Port Lounge in this report.
Christian is going home to Cebu to be with his family for Christmas. He arrived early at the Manila Northport Passenger Terminal in Manila, even though his trip is scheduled in the evening.
Para hindi maraming tao.
Bakit po kayo uwi ng Cebu?
Para sa Pasko.
Jocelyn, meanwhile, is traveling last minute to Cagayan de Oro City. She missed the trips for earlier dates as they were already fully booked.
Halos na nga fully book. Yun na, wala nang choice.
This Christmas Eve, a single passenger ship will disembark from Manila Port going to two destinations, Cebu and Cagayan de Oro City.
Expected natin na pasahero for this voyage is nasa 800.
This number could rise should chance passengers increase. And since the passenger ship's departure is in the evening, passengers will be in the middle of the voyage by midnight later. But Mercy, another passenger, has yet to begin her travel as her trip is on December 26 to Bacolod City, so she will spend Christmas Day at the Manila Port.
Hindi, biglaan lang kami umuwi eh. Galing kami Bulacan, papuntang Pitex. Tapos kumuha kami ng papuntang Bacolod, wala daw bakante. Kaya pumunta kami dito.
Overnight stay of passengers waiting for their trips will be allowed at the seaport. Manila Port also assured tight security for the safety of travelers.
Sa ngayon po kasi naka-heightened alert po ang PPA, ang ating port police. So, no leave policy din po tayo. So, lahat po sila naka-deploy ngayon. Meron po tayong tatlong baggage x-ray machines. Makikita po doon kung may mga dinadala silang pinagbabawal na items po.
A quick response desk has also been deployed inside the port for passengers who will require assistance. Free charging stations are also available. More passengers are expected to flock to the Manila Port in the coming days as the New Year's celebration nears. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.